Wagwan, Wagwan, my beautiful people. Welcome to Brunch Affiliate, the one-stop show that teaches you how to make bare money online with affiliate marketing, and by that, I mean making lots of money. With that being said, let's jump right into it. Today, Mia go show anew how to make money online while we bring D vibes to D Max. So, putting your headphones in, grab a drink, and let's get this party started. D basics of affiliate marketing. Alright, me people. Before we start making D cash flow, we need to understand D basics of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way when you promote other people's products and earn commission when people buy through your link. Mia talk about easy money. Yeah, man. So, step 1, you find the right affiliate program that match your passion. It can be anything from beauty products, fitness gear, or even reggae merchandise. Choose something where you love, so you can sell it passionately. I know you're probably wondering why I sound like this, but that's just my Jamaican AI yardie style. Step 2, you create your own online space to promote products. This can be a website, blog, or even social media platforms like Instagram or YouTube. Jamaicans, we make everything look good, so me no want me try to say to all anew, so just design some stylish websites. Don't be afraid to try a thing. I know something will work if you try. Don't be lazy. Me favorite affiliate marketing methods. Time to get creative, people. Mia go share some of me favorite affiliate marketing methods when make me some money. First up, the review game. Me love making honest product reviews and letting people know if it's a big tune or a big flop. Me drop me affiliate link in the description, and when them click and buy, the money start rolling in. It is as easy as that. Next, we have how to do videos. Jamaicans always have D skills, and we can make them tutorials look good and entertaining. Whether it's cooking ackee and saltfish or teaching people to do D Jamaican wine, we showcase D skill while dropping them affiliate links. Win-win to everybody, brethren. Alright, me hustlers. Time to drop some extra tips to make D money pop like a Jamaican sound system. First, you need to build a loyal fan base. Engage with your audience, answer them questions, and show them, say you a go always, dead fe dem. Second, make sure you have content relevant and fresh. Nobody wants see the same old thing over and over. Stay up to date and bring the latest vibes to your channel. Last but not least, partner up with other influencers or affiliates. Building your community strong, and when we come together, we make some serious money. Alright, me people. We reached the end of the show, but the money-making journey just a start. Remember, affiliate marketing make we money online, while we still bring the Jamaican vibes to the world. So, get out there, make the moves, and make them dollar bills pull up like big tune in a party on a Saturday night. If you enjoyed the show, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as we say in Jamaica, big up yourself. We outta here, see you next time.